are here. Hi, guys. I'm sorry about that. I was just over here eating my favorite cereal, Reese's Puff. All right, my name is Miss Bennett for my first grade friends who don't know, and we're going to be having some fun together doing some math. All right, so the first thing, well, you're going to need two things to start off math with Miss Bennett. You're going to need your favorite cereal. I already told you what mine was, and you're going to need something to put your cereal down. So it could be a napkin, a paper plate, something to stretch your cereal out on the table. So you can pause the video now and get that down. No, seriously, pause the video. All right, friends. I'm glad you are back with your cereal and your plate. All right, so before we even get to that, put that to the side. We're going to be talking about our magic number again. And everybody knows what that magic number is? What's that magic number? You guessed it. It's 10, right? So a couple of weeks ago, we talked about how 10 can be in a bundle. It could be a group of 10. But if I separate my hands, it's 10 ones. So we know that 110 is the same thing as 10 ones. All right, so now we're going to get to using your cereal. I want you to take out and count 10 pieces of cereal or other food. If you have cubes, 10 pieces. All right, so once you have your 10 pieces of cereal, it should look like Miss Spinach, just like this. All right, so how many do I have here? Right, I have 10. And separated like this, they are 10 ones. I know I counted it one by one, 1, 2, 3, all the way until I got 10 to 10. So I know that I have 10 ones. But what if my cereal is like this? Did the number change? No, my number did not change. Now I put it together in a group or a bundle of 10, right? So now whether I look at it like this in 10 ones, or whether I look at it as a group of 10, I still have what? I have 10, correct. Okay, Kipsters. So Miss Bennett still has a group of 10, but now she added on 3 more. When I'm trying to count all of these together, am I going to count by ones, or should I already know that this is a group of 10? Right, it's already a group of 10, so I'm not going to take all of that time. I'm just going to say this is 10 plus we have 3 ones equals, what you think it is? 13. You guessed it. Send yourself some shine. All right, so watch me do this. This time, Miss Bennett is going to do this, but I'm going to show you what it looks like with 10 blocks. All right, so you've seen this before. We already know that this is a group of what? A group of 10. So when I'm filling out my chart, I already know that I have 110, and I'm going to look at my ones. I have 1, 2, I have 2 ones. All right, so I am now going to put together an addition sentence to see how many I have all together, all right? So I have 1 plus 2 equals 3. Wait a minute. Something didn't go right. Miss Bennett had to do something wrong because I know that this is not just 3 cubes. So let's take it back. Let's take it back. Oh, Miss Bennett has it now. I forgot that when I see a 1 in the tens place, it's not a 1, it's a 10, right? We already know that 110 equals 10 ones. So I'm not gonna mark this as just 1. This is how much? This is 10. Perfect. So I have a 10 plus 2. It equals, you guessed it, it equals 12. All right. Okay, mathematicians, I'm going to give you a swing at it by yourself. I think you got it. All right. Hold on, Miss Bennett's computer is doing something. All right. So Miss Bennett is going to give you 10 seconds to figure out how many 10s and how many 1s you have all together.
Make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that they ask how I get that ooh.
All right, 10 seconds is up. Hopefully you were doing your math and not just doing that TikTok dance. All right, so how many 10s do we have here? Correct, we have 1 10. How many 1s do you see? Correct, we have 7 1s. All right, so we need to do an addition sentence together. So 110, correct, it's going to be 10. Oops. It's going to be 10 plus 7 equals 17. Perfect. Good job. Okay. Pat yourself on the back. You did that. All right. Let's get a little bit more practice. All right. Let Miss Bennett clear her screen. Make sure you guys really got it. All right. Perfect. It's getting harder. All right. 10 seconds to fill in your 10s and your 1s. 10 seconds.
Make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that it's so they ask how I get that ooh.
All right. That work time is up. All right. So how many 10s do we have? Yes, we do have 2 10s. All right. How many 1s do we have? If you said 4, you're on the money. All right. Here comes the tricky part. If I have 2 10s, is 2 10s, what does that stand for? 2 10s stands for 20. So my problem is going to be 20 plus my, how many 1s do I have? 4 1s. All together, 24. 24. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, you guys are killing it. All right. Gotta keep practicing. All right, let's do. Miss Bennett is having some technical issues. All right. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Perfect. All right. So we get into the hard stuff now. All right. This is the last one. Show me what you got. 10 seconds. How many 10s? How many 1s?
Make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that it's so they ask how I get that ooh.
All right. Perfect. So how many 10s did you get? If you had 3 10s, you on fire. I feel you through the screen. How many 1s do we have? 2 1s. Perfect. The tricky part, tricky. If Miss Bennett has 3 10s, let me see. Let's count by 10s and see how many 10s I actually have. I mean, how much I actually have. Let's see. 10, 20, 30. Oh, 3 10s is the same thing as 30. Silly Miss Bennett. I forgot. 30. All right. 30 plus how many ones do we have? Perfect. If you said 2, you are on the money. All right, now we have to put together our 10s and our ones. Remember, our ones place is the only thing that is going to change in here. Let's see. You said 32. You are absolutely correct. All right. All right, guys, you did an awesome, awesome job today. Thank you for helping me out counting that cereal. Please, please, please go and do your seesaw after this. As soon as you click off this, I want you to go and do your seesaw. Get to it. See you later.